Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 22. JOHDA. JOHDA, which means good in Korean. The word JOHDA means good or great. You can also use this to express satisfaction when something is good or great. This is also a short way of saying that's good. How do you write JOHDA in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. The first syllable is Jo. This is written by drawing first a jiut character followed by an o character followed by a hiut character. The second syllable is Da, which is written by drawing first a dikut character followed by an a character. And with that, you've just learned JOHDA. Now, let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 12 to 21. But don't forget our word for today, word number 22, JOHDA, which means good or great. The first word for our review is word number 21, Gamsahamnida, which means thank you. Word number 20 is Gamsahamnida. This is another formal way of saying thank you. Word number 19 is 고맙다. This is another informal way of saying thank you. Word number 18 is 잘했어. This is used to say stay well in an informal manner. Word number 17 is jalga. This is used to say go well or please go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is Juseyo, which is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주, which means beer. Word number 14 is 돈, which means money. Word number 13 is 사과, which means apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다, which means nice to meet you. And this is the last word for our review. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about the word Cheonmaneyo. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.